In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and create a welcome message in Manychat, featuring the new updates for 2025. Whether you're new to Manychat or just looking to keep your communication with users fresh and engaging, setting up a welcome message is a fantastic way to greet new users and make them feel valued right from the start. Let's begin by logging into your Manychat account. If you're not familiar with Manychat, it's a powerful tool that lets you manage and automate your messaging on platforms like Facebook Messenger, which is essential for businesses looking to boost their customer service and marketing efforts. Once you've logged into your Manychat dashboard, you'll want to navigate towards the settings section. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your messaging service, so getting comfortable navigating it is a great first step. Within the settings, you'll see options for different channels. In this case, let's select the channel through which you want to deliver your welcome message. Typically, many users opt for Messenger because it's one of the most popular channels, connecting directly with users on Facebook. However, if your business uses another platform supported by Manychat, you can select the appropriate channel there. Once you've chosen your channel, look for the greeting text field. It usually isn't hard to find, as it's prominently displayed within the settings. This is where the magic happens. Here is where you will craft your welcome message, a significant first impression for your users. A good rule of thumb is to keep this message brief yet engaging. Perhaps something along the lines of, "Hello and welcome to your business name. We're thrilled to have you here. How can we make your experience fantastic today?" Not only does this acknowledge the user, but also invites them to interact further, opening the door for more personalized communication. After typing your welcome message into the text box, take a moment to review it. Is it clear? Does it evoke a friendly atmosphere? Once you're satisfied with the message, it's time to make it official. Go ahead and click Save to apply your new welcome message. This is an important step, as it ensures your changes are set into motion and your users will experience your thoughtfully crafted greeting on their next interaction with your service. And there you have it, folks. Creating a welcoming message on Manychat is straightforward and doesn't take much time, but it plays a crucial role in setting the tone for future interactions with your users. By extending a warm welcome, you create a positive first impression that can lead to lasting relationships and sustained engagement from your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to explore more tutorials if you'd like to expand your Manychat skills even further.